Is it okay to keep the spine curved in Paschimottanasana, or we need to keep the back straight? This confusion, so many times people write us in comments that can we explain what is the difference between curved back in Paschimottanasana or spine straight in Paschimottanasana. In today's class, we will explain you the difference, which one is right, which one is wrong, or both are right or both are wrong. Everything will be covered in today's video. Namaste to all yogis. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Prashantj Yoga. Shivam with me today will demonstrate, and we will try to give you clarity about this particular pose, and you will have a proper idea that were you doing right, or how these straight back and curve back in Paschimottanasana can make a huge difference in your yoga practice, and which one is right. Let's begin the practice and let's learn with us. If you are new to this channel, I will request you to subscribe this channel and share this video, which can help many others. That will be your contribution in this world, so you are sharing this knowledge to others. Let's begin the practice. So here, Paschimottanasana, understand first meaning. Paschim means the back body, entire back. When you stand in front of the sun, so the front body is considered as an east body, the whole entire body front. But Paschim means the back, west part of the body. It means Paschimottanasana. Uttan means extended and stretch. So in this pose, you are stretching the entire heel, the back, from the back heel all the way goes to the buttocks and all the way back of the head. So when you stretch entire body together at the same time, becomes Paschimottanasana. So this asana is about that. So when we do Paschimottanasana, the first previous starting pose is Dandasana. See, in Dandasana you should keep the back straight because this is a starting pose. Now the second confusion that we have, that we need to make a curve back here when you go for Paschimottanasana, or you should make straight back when you do Paschimottanasana. Understand, curve and straight back both are right, but the difference is when to do curve back and when to keep the back straight. So you need to first come to Dandasana, curve back. I will explain you first about the curve back. See, what happens when naturally you have a stomach cramp? If anyone have a stomach cramp due to menstruation, or maybe stomach gas issue, what naturally the body take position? Naturally we do like this, right? And not only we bend forward, we press the stomach like this. It means naturally your body says bend forward, and the moment you bend forward and press the internal organs, you feel relaxed. It means the body gives you sign that whenever you have a stomach cramp, any digestive related issue such as gas or acidic issues, during that time forward bending is good, but only when the internal organs are squeezed. So it means those who are using this Paschimottanasana as a therapy to treat their sickness, they will do Paschimottanasana with a curve back like Shivam is showing you. In this, you are not focusing on the spinal column. You are just simply stretching the spine passively, because this passive stretch give proper contraction to the internal organs, and passively you need to stay and no need to do any extra effort. Just breathe softly, and with this effort you will stay longer and longer, which give you benefit. This is first Paschimottanasana. Second Paschimottanasana is when we talk about spinal extension here. In this Paschimottanasana, you can see that the spine is more flat. We are more focusing on this spinal extension. Why we are focusing on spinal extension? Because this Paschimottanasana is not only for internal organs health, but it is also to improve the proper blood circulation and the proper pranic circulation to the spinal column, which can lead to the each psychic centers which situated in our body, each chakras which situated in our body. So that was a major difference when you do Paschimottanasana. It means you need to understand that both movements of the spine are good. Depend what you want. Now the question comes, what is my recommendation for you? You can do both asana different time. You can try maybe every evening. If you are practicing yogic asana, do this curve back Paschimottanasana. So that was the major difference in Paschimottanasana. Now understand the second. If you ask me, shall we do this straight back all the time, or shall we do this curve back all the time? How we should manage? Understand here. If you do Paschimottanasana in the morning especially, you can try with a straight back, because there you are improving the blood circulation in your physical body, in your spinal column especially, and the pranic force goes straight to the psychic centers, which are called chakras, energy centers. If you do in the evening, as a therapy, you can take Paschimottanasana with a curve back. But you will see the books, ancient previous book, you will find many yoga practitioner, yogis, they will show you Paschimottanasana with a curve back, because yogic asana before they were doing as a yogic therapy, because to treat the internal organs. And now today's time, most of the Paschimottanasana in most of the yogic sequences, asana sequences, and many teachers, they emphasize on the straight back, which is not wrong, I would not say, but you should focus that you should try both curve back and straight back together. Sometimes choose curve back, sometimes choose straight back. Because when you do straight back in Paschimottanasana, you improve the proper extension to the spine, and spine is well open. In that case, most of the energy flow and blood circulation goes strongly to the brain, and that helps you to activate your brain at the same time, which will also help you to improve the memory, which will also help you to improve the function of the brain. That helps you. But when it comes to curve back, it means this is a time for rest. This is a time your mind needs rest. So you can choose these variations, depend what you need and which time of the day you are trying this Paschimottanasana. So see the frontal body in Paschimottanasana. If I show you frontal body, when you do curve Paschimottanasana, you see the frontal body, frontal belly. Your muscles goes together like this. See, your body from up to down, you squeeze and collect all the internal organs together. It means each internal organ will give pressure to other organ. So that will tone the internal organs. It will help them to relax a little bit. But when it comes to flat Paschimottanasana, it goes like this inside. So now upper organ place will not change, but when the curve back, the place will change, and that's the difference in frontal body you get. For the regular basis, even straight back Paschimottanasana is also good. But when you have some kind of sickness, I will suggest you try simple, soft, passive Paschimottanasana with a curve back when the organs are squeezed, and you just bend forward simply and stay longer. That's how you will get the benefit from both of the variations of Paschimottanasana. I hope you understood this pose. I hope you will learn nicely. If you do, please like this video and comment also, because if you have any question, we can give you answer for that. Next time I will see you with another video. Till then, namaste, take care.